Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of skincare products that leave your skin feeling stripped or irritated, you're not alone. We all want to achieve that healthy, dewy glow without compromising our skin's natural barrier. If that sounds like something you've been searching for, today's review could be a game changer. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Today we're talking about the BYOMA So Hydrating Set, a trio of dermatologist-approved essentials designed to hydrate, repair, and nourish your skin. This set includes their creamy jelly cleanser, hydrating serum, and ceramide rich moisturizer, all formulated to target dry skin and reinforce your skin barrier. What makes it special? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the ingredients. The magic behind this set is the triceramide complex, which combines ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, all essential for strengthening the skin's barrier. This combination is a key player in locking in moisture and preventing dehydration. The products are alcohol and fragrance-free, so they're perfect for sensitive skin types, and they're non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. I've been testing these products for a few weeks now, so let me share my experience. The creamy jelly cleanser is a dream. It feels ultra gentle on the skin while still being effective at removing dirt, makeup, and impurities. What's even better is that it doesn't leave my skin feeling tight or dry. It's hydrating without being greasy. Next up, the Hydrating Face Serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It's packed with moisture, and I love how my skin feels plump and refreshed after applying it. Finally, the Gel Cream Moisturizer has a nice balance of hydration and texture. It's not too heavy, but it still provides long-lasting moisture and helps reduce redness, leaving my skin looking bright and healthy. One thing I really appreciate is how well these products integrate into my routine. The lightweight nature of the cleanser and serum makes them easy to layer with other skincare, and the Gel Cream Moisturizer is the perfect finish to lock in all that hydration. Plus, it's great for everyday use, morning and night, without feeling like you're piling on product after product. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the BYOMA So Hydrating Set excels in hydration. My skin feels nourished and balanced after using it, and it definitely helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. The formula is gentle and works well for all skin types, especially dry or sensitive skin. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big win for those who are conscious of the ethics behind their products. On the flip side, if you're someone with oily skin, you may find the Gel Cream Moisturizer a bit too rich. While it's perfect for dry skin, those with oilier complexions may want to try a lighter moisturizer. Also, although the scent-free formulation is great for sensitive skin, it may not provide that sensory experience some people seek in their skincare routine. Is this set worth the price? In terms of value for money, it's definitely a solid buy. The products are high quality and effective at providing long-lasting hydration and barrier repair. For anyone struggling with dry skin or looking for a simple, no-fuss routine that delivers results, this set is a great investment. The packaging is simple, functional, and the sizes are generous for the price. When comparing it to other hydrating skincare sets on the market, it stands out because of the emphasis on skin barrier repair through its triceramide complex. While other brands may offer hydration, the added focus on strengthening the skin's barrier makes this set unique. It competes well with other premium skincare sets, but at a slightly more affordable price point. Now, the build quality is excellent. The products come in sturdy, travel-friendly packaging. The cleanser is in a squeeze tube, making it easy to control the amount you use. And the moisturizer and serum come in sleek, compact bottles that are easy to dispense. Nothing feels flimsy or cheap here. And I'm confident these products will last a good amount of time with regular use. If you've been following along with this review and it's resonating with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support really helps us keep making honest reviews like this one, and if you're itching to try these products, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I've had a positive experience with BYOMA. Their communication is clear and responsive, and the brand has a solid reputation for standing behind their products. I haven't needed to reach out about any issues, but based on other reviews, they're known for offering helpful customer service if you ever do need it. As for product updates, there haven't been any major updates to the formulas of these products, but that could always change. Keeping an eye on this brand's offerings could be worthwhile if they release new formulations or packaging improvements in the future. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of hydrating skincare sets available at various price points. If the BYOMA So Hydrating Set feels a bit too high-end for your budget, you might want to check out similar sets from brands like Ceramide or Neutrogena. While they may not have the triceramide complex, they do offer solid hydration and skin barrier support at a more affordable price. So what's the final verdict on the BYOMA So Hydrating Set? If you have dry skin and want to focus on rebuilding your skin's barrier, this set is absolutely worth trying. It delivers impressive hydration, leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy, and it's perfect for sensitive skin. The combination of the cleanser, serum, and moisturizer works together seamlessly to give you that glow we all crave without stripping your skin. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used any of these products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience with BYOMA or any similar products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.